Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake with pancake mix. First, combine 2 cups of pancake mix with 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a bowl. Whisk these ingredients until the batter is smooth, but avoid overmixing. The consistency should be pourable, similar to a thick pancake batter. Set this aside while you prepare your frying station. This simple base is key to delicious results. Now, let's get ready to fry. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or a deep fryer. It's crucial to maintain a consistent oil temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly crispy funnel cakes. You can use a candy thermometer to monitor this. Once the oil is hot, transfer your batter into a funnel with a small opening or a squeeze bottle for easy pouring. Carefully pour the batter into the hot oil in a circular, overlapping motion, creating a lacy design. Fry for about 60 to 90 seconds on one side until it's beautifully golden brown. Then, using tongs, gently flip the funnel cake to cook the other side for another 60 to 90 seconds. The goal is a light, airy texture with a satisfying crunch. Don't overcrowd the pot. Fry 1 or 2 at a time. Once golden and crispy, carefully remove your funnel cake from the oil and place it on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, dust it generously with powdered sugar. You can also add other toppings like fruit, whipped cream, or chocolate syrup. It's a delightful treat that's surprisingly simple to make at home. For more great tips and deals and a fantastic book about money, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade funnel cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.